Hey mate, I'm Alex.
And I'm Gaston.
Welcome to Power Mate.
This is the place to learn and share about Fabric and Power Platform. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel with your friends and colleagues.
So, hi Power Mate, welcome back to our channel. Today we will dive into Copilot Studio, particularly in how to use Dataverse as a knowledge base.
Oh, I like that. So, two main points here related to Dataverse. First, Dataverse is not just about data storage anymore. It's our secret weapon right now for knowledge management. And second, imagine having a centralized repository where you copilots can tap into a wealth of information right from Dataverse tables.
Absolutely, Gaston. So, how it works? Copilot connects seamlessly to your Dataverse environment. So you configure knowledge base data source within Copilot Studio, linking them to a specific Dataverse table or tables. That's new. We are going to see that on the demo that you can use more than one table. And then when users ask questions, Copilot Studio uh, check the knowledge base, providing the accurate and relevant answer. So let's head over to my machine and take a look on that regard. Okay, so here we are. This is the Copilot Studio main page. Again, if someone new on our channel, here we have powerba.microsoft.com. It's the URL still use the Power BA, but this is the URL that you need to use if you want to access to Copilot Studio, powerba.microsoft.com. Okay. So this is the main screen again, just in case someone new. Here is how to create a Copilot using Copilot. Is like an inception, but you can use Copilot to create your own Copilot using natural language. Then here you can have like some recent Copilot that I have created. And then you can also use templates to create your Copilot. That's okay, safe travel, store operations, weather, sustainability, and site. So you can use some of the pre-built template to create your Copilot. That means that you are going to create a Copilot with some predefined topics. So you just need to fill the blanks on some point so to make the Copilot works. Today we are going to create a Copilot in the traditional way. Okay, here on the left hand side into create, let's create new Copilot. And let's create the Copilot as is with any configuration, because our main point today is to connect to Dataverse and use Dataverse as a knowledge base. So let's click on create here on the left hand side, the right hand side, sorry, here. And let's wait till the Copilot create. As you can see here, it's pretty simple, create the Copilot. It's just create the Copilot and click create. Of course, on the Copilot creation, you can start using the Copilot. Say, okay, I need a Copilot to, I don't know, ask users about which kind of food they would like to eat on the next meeting or something like that, using like a form. But in that case, we have created just a traditional Copilot Studio. Okay, so let's return to the main screen again. Here we have the Copilot created, so we can edit details. Let's say the name Copilot Dataverse KB PowerMate Copilot Dataverse KB. No description and AI feature are enabled, so an instruction will apply. Okay, let's save here. Knowledge it's enabled. So in this case, allow the AI to use its own general knowledge. That means that if you use the Copilot as you start asking question, and Copilot is going to try to find an answer in the web or in the knowledge base of OpenAI on some point. But what we want is to add a specific knowledge base that is Dataverse. So we can here to add knowledge base. Uh, as we saw on previous episodes, you have different type of knowledge base or data source you can use. The features one are public website, files, SharePoint, and Dataverse, of course. Gaston, Microsoft Fabric coming soon. And then you have others here like Azure, SQL, Salesforce, CSV, or whatever. So, but today we are going to use Dataverse. So let's click on Dataverse. And here, of course, we need to select which tables we are going to use in our knowledge base. If you remember, like maybe 6 or 7 episodes ago, we show how to connect Power Up Copilot with Dataverse. And in that case, the Copilot only can use a single one table. But in that case, this new feature here in Copilot Studio allows you to use more than one table. And that is a good news for us. So let's use account and like contact or something like that. I don't know if I have contacts here. Contact, connector, contact. Okay, yeah. So we have 2 selected, contact and account. So let's use those 2 for our knowledge base for demo purpose. Of course, you can add more than 2 if you need. Let's click on next here. You can check your data to validate, okay, this is the table I want to use effectively. Yeah, account, we have the address, the zip code, the state, and all the stuff. Okay, that's good. And of course, again, sorry, you can check contact if you want. And yeah, that you have the contact and all the stuff. So let's click on next and let's click on add. So as you can see here, we have the knowledge base, the Dataverse, the 2 tables we are going to use, and the status is ready. That means we can test it right now. You can click that or not. And you can, say, okay, not use the open general or yes. So let's keep the enable here and let's test it. I don't know how many accounts are located in Redmond. That could take a couple of seconds first time, but I want to. Okay, as you can see here, say there are 3 accounts located in Redmond. Okay, and if you click here, that should open the list of accounts. And as you can check here, we have 3 accounts located in Redmond. Datron Corporation, City Power, and Contoso Pharmaceuticals. So it's super simple. You can start asking more and more questions. You can start relating the tables. Also, a new feature here is that maintains the context. So if you are asking for some particular question, some particular account, for example, you can ask more than one questions, and so that's nice. And also, of course, you can. Last point I want to show today, you can edit your knowledge base, and you say, okay, I need to add another table because I need an extra information, or no, I don't need contacts or whatever. Because sometimes if you add uh, like 4 or 5 different tables, and the tables have similar information, sometimes you need to provide some more context to the tables. Let's So because could be collision between data. So there's an option that you can uh, also add account as a table. Let's show that quickly here. Last point. Let's add a knowledge base here. Dataverse again, and I'm going to add account again just to show something. So you have here the table, but also here, you have you can add a description, so you can provide more information to Copilot to understand what is the information that is inside your table. Also, you can add synonyms here. So say the column account number could be named as organization number, or different companies have the different way to name the account number, or other data. So you can also edit here, add synonyms, description, and provide more and more and more accurate information to Copilot. So when your users start asking different questions, Copilot is going to have more information to give the user the correct answer. Okay, so what do you think, Gaston, about that? You think it's pretty interesting, right?
This is awesome, and because there's so much data behind the scenes in Dataverse, you can not only use your data from Dataverse, also use it as a knowledge base. And I think we recorded a video about this, but it's pretty much simple to publish this Copilot Studio directly to Microsoft Teams for all your organizations to just start playing around and asking questions directly from Microsoft Teams with your Copilot Studio. So this is amazing. I am anxious waiting for the connection to Fabric so we can share that with our community. So yeah, pretty much that's gonna be all for today. We hope that this found our PowerMates community this overview helpful. Stay tuned for more in-depth insights, tutorials, and exciting news here in our channel.
As usual, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that notification bell, and join us on this journey.
Together, let's unlock the full potential of Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric.
Yeah.